Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Volvo XC90. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Ensure both vehicles are completely turned off before you begin connecting any cables. Next, position the donor vehicle close enough to the disabled Volvo so that your jumper cables can easily reach both batteries. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jump start. Now, let's connect the cables. First, attach one red positive cable clamp to the positive terminal of your dead Volvo's battery. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, take the black negative cable and connect one clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Volvo's engine block, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, start the donor vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the donor battery to transfer some charge to your Volvo's dead battery. After this waiting period, attempt to start your Volvo XC90. If it doesn't start immediately, give it a few more minutes and try again. Once your Volvo starts, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the exact reverse order you connected them. After successfully jump-starting your Volvo, it's important to keep the engine running. Drive your XC90 for at least 15 to 20 minutes to allow the alternator to adequately recharge the battery. If your car struggles to start again later, it might indicate a deeper issue with the battery or charging system, so consider having them tested by a professional soon. Also, for those looking to improve their financial knowledge, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.